Makadini kwese kwamuri. In today's lesson, tinoda kutarisa matrices as operators. Tirikuda kuita ma-simultaneous linear equations asi tichishandisa the method of matrices to solve them. So to teach this lesson, I had my doubts. Pamusana pekuti I do not recommend kushandisa the method of matrices to solve ma-simultaneous equations. I recommend the method of substitution or the method of elimination, which we are going to teach. So this lesson, we should use it as a bonus. Yekuti in the rarest occasion, yekuti Zimsek yada kuti musolve ma-simultaneous equations, yakuudzai kuti mofunga kushandisa ma-matrices, at least you have somewhere to fall back to. So this is the lesson. Before we get into it, may you please join the family by subscribing, following, liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you. Saka lesson redu pariri kutangira ndepano. We are going to have that scenario. Scenario iyo iri kuti kudini? Iri kuti if we have 9241 multiplying x, y being equal to 17,4. Saka we need to find what x is and what y is. So I'm going to demonstrate two methods. The first method can be very useful because vanogona kuunza ma-matrices obva vati mutsvage either x or y. Saka in that way, munofanirwa kushandisa what we are going to demonstrate pa method number 1. Method number 2, on the other hand, is going to be using matrices throughout until we get to our answer. So this is our method 1. Zvatinoita panapa, we have to multiply the left hand side, simplify it before we consider the right hand side. What did we say when we spoke about matrix multiplication? Takati, from the first matrix inotanga kuvapo, that which first appears, we have to take rows. Then from the following matrix, we take columns. The first matrix inotipa ma rows, then the next yotipa ma columns. Tadaro, then from the first matrix, we have to count the number of columns. That number should be equal to the number of rows in the next matrix. Saka ma columns atinawo pa matrix edu yekutanga 1 2. Then ma rows atinawo pa matrix yedu inotevera 1 2. Zvinoreva kuti those two matrices can be multiplied. Then before we go any further, takati we have a mechanism through which we can find the order of the product. Kureva answer yatinowana after multiplication. Saka if we multiply the order of the first matrix, which is a 2 by 2, multiplied by, then this matrix, how many rows do we have? 1 2. And how many columns? Only 1. Then we cancel out zvakati panapa. This means our answer should be a 2 by 1 matrix. Kana tichiti 2 by 1, tiri kuti we have 2 rows and 1 column. Saka tikada kuinyora as a general matrix ingakadai so, like this. A, B. How many rows do we have? 1 2. What about columns? Only 1. So let us go on doing our multiplication panapa. So we have also taught that when you are multiplying, we say row by column. So what it means is tichati 9 times x plus 4 times y, like that. Then tozodzoka pa row iri pazasi panapa toti 2 times x plus 1 times y. This is equal to 17 4. Then if we simplify zvirapo, 9 times x, that's 9x plus 4 times y, 4y. Then 2 times x and 2x plus 1 times y dy, that is equal to 17, 4. So zvatakuona apo ndezvekuti ku-left hand side we have the same number of rows and columns as we have ku-right hand side. Zvandingoreva ndezvekuti ku-left hand side tava ne2 marow, ku-right hand side tine 2 marow. Ku-left hand side tine 1 column because this is 9x plus 4y, kureva kuti it's one number tika replace x na y. Then ku-right hand side we also have 1 column, 17 na 4. Kana tasvika pa-such a situation takutenderwa kumechesa, zvazvinoreva ndezvekuti tinenge takuti 9x plus 4y is equal to 17. Iyi ndiyo equation 1. Tozoti 2x plus y is equal to 4. Iyi ndiyo equation number 2. Like that. 9x plus 4y is equal to 17 and 2x plus y is equal to 4. Pakuisolve apa, we have to choose between two methods, the method of elimination and the method of substitution. When you go to the cluster where we taught simultaneous equations, muchawana both these methods clearly and exhaustively taught. But patiri pano, I want to teach you how to elect the best method to use. Saka mukatarisa ma-equations edu atiinawo, equation 1 and equation 2. Munoona kuti mu-equation 2 we have y ina coefficient 1. In similar terms, y haina number iri kuimultiplier. Number iripo iri invisible, and kana number iri invisible inenge iri 1. So what we have to do is we have to rewrite equation number 2 tichishandisa y as the subject of formula. We taught about subjects of formulas when we discussed the cluster on equations and the cluster on formulas. Saka y tinomsiya kunoku is equal to, then kunoku tonyora 4 agara ariko, tobva tadzinga 2x, but paanongojamba ikosign anova chi minus 2x. Saka this is now the new form of equation number 2. Then tanyora equation number 2 nenzira iyoyo, tinobva tati takuda kuisa equation 2 mukati me-equation 1. So equation 2 in equation 1. Zvatikureva ndezvekuti from equation 2 we can see kuti y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Saka tikuda kureplace y ari mu-equation 1 na 4 minus 2x. So takunyora futi equation 1, toinyora nenzira iyi, toita kuti 9x dot plus 4. Instead of kuti 4y, techiti 4 times 4 minus 2x, and this is equal to 17, like that. So let us carry on. Let us now solve this. Saka panapa we just have to remove brackets. We also taught on that. Ichangova 9x plus 4 times 4 and 16, and 4 times minus 2x the minus 8x. This is equal to 17. Collect like terms. 16 is ambiringa munyemba ku left hand side ngadzingwe. Saka kuno tinosarwa tina 9x minus 8x is equal to 17 agara ariko. 16 tikamudzinga paanojamba fensi anochinja from a positive to a negative. 9x minus 8x dx is equal to 17 minus 16 d1. Saka the value of x is 1. Taona kuti the value of x is 1. The value of y haichanetsi kuwana. We take either the first equation or the second equation to replace x na 1. So what is y isa? Kutora the second equation because it is simpler to replace x na 1. So instead of kunyora takati 2x plus y, tenge takuti 2 times 1 plus y is equal to 4. 2 times 1 ndi 2 plus y is equal to 4. Todzinga 2 unoyu inova y is equal to 4 minus 2. Zvoreva izvo kuti y is equal to 2 like that. So kana tatodaro tapedza. You understand? So the value of x ndi 1, the value of y ndi 2. Iyi ndiyo method yatashandisa kutsvaka x na y. Zvinogona kuya musimuseki zvichidaro. Kwatakuda kuchienda manje bazalwane. Kwatakuda kuchienda kumethod number 2. Method yandataura nchiti kana question ichingoti iri kuda kuti musolve masimultaneous equations, musamaita nenzira iyi. It's unworth it. We have 2 rather 4 1 multiplying xy being equal to 17 4 like that. Chatotanga kuita tinotanga tati finding kana kuti consider inverse of 9241. Satoda the inverse of 9241. The inverse of 9241 is going to be equal to 1 over the determinant multiplying that matrix but yakanyorwa in a different form. Saka instead of kutanga tambowana determinant then tozonowana the inverse, I'm assuming kuti makugona kuwana the inverse, sarega ndingozviita with a shortcut. Also using that shortcut to discourage against kushandisa matrixes to solve ma simultaneous equations. So panapa inenge yava 1 over determinant yedu, it's 9 times 1 minus 2 times 4 like that, and panapa we interchange 9 na 1, panapa nova 1 apo 9, we negate 2 na 4 kuti tive na minus 2 minus 4. This is the determinant. Then if we want to solve it, the inverse rather, inova 1 over 9 times 1 ndi 9 minus 2 times 4 ndi minus 8. Saka 9 minus 8 ndi 1. Panapa it's 1 apo ndi minus 4 minus 2 apo ndi 9. So basically this is going to be equal to 1 minus 2 minus 4 9. Tawana the inverse of that. Tawana the inverse of that. What we now want to do is takuda kumultiply both the left hand side and the right hand side with the inverse. What happens is tika multiply both the left and the right with the same value, hatichinje the value of the whole equation. Saka tinenge tato balance that equation. Mapaona, we discussed about this particular introduce the balancing of equations method. So that is what we want to do. Kureva kuti kune ku left hand side uku tichatora inverse yedu 1 minus 2 minus 4 9, so multiplier nezviri ku left, which is 9 apo 4 2 1 xy, this is equal to 17 4. And so we have to make sure kuti ine marows akawanda ndo inouya kunoku multiplying that. So when we multiply a matrix with its inverse, tinowana an identity. So rather you make this your task to prove kuti is it true kuti tika multiply a matrix with its inverse tinowana this identity. So it's the identity multiplying xy, which is equal to, then we have to solve kuno. Now we have to use row by column as we have taught. Saka kana taku multiply uku tichiti chi, tinenge tichiti 1 times 17 plus minus 4 times n times 4. So it's 1 times 17 plus minus 4 times n times 4. That then kunoku next row inga minus 2 times 17 and minus 2 times 17 plus 9 times 4. If we simplify side loop, we are going to see row by column. What you are going to see is tinoti 1 times x plus 0 times y and tozoti 0 times x plus 1 times and y, like that. This is equal to 1 times 17 the 17 panapa, it's now minus 4 times 4 the minus 16 plus na minus, it's minus, so 17 minus 16 hapo, then minus 2 times 17 the minus 34 minus 34 plus 9 times 4 9 18 27 36. So panapa tinoona kuti pamusoro pana x because y amultipliwa na 0, tinoona zvakare kuti pazasi pana y because x amultipliwa na 0. So xy is equal to 17 minus 6 and 1 and minus 34 plus 36, which is the same as 36 minus 34 and 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Tinoona the same answer. But I think you can judge on your own kuti using the method of matrices poses a very uncomfortable difficulty as compared to using the conventional traditional ways of solving simultaneous equations. So that is what I call upon you to do. I'm going to give you an exercise. This exercise, what is required of you to solve muchishandisa method number 1. Don't attempt method number 2 unless you want. But my advice is exercise andoda kukupai, solve it using method number 1. Kureva kuti muno simplify ku left hand side until mava need the same number of rows and columns ku left as you have ku right. Then you equate my questions acho. Then you solve them using simultaneous, the way we do simultaneous equations, using elimination or substitution. So stay tuned for that exercise. So this is your exercise. What I want you to do is, chokutanga, it's exercise 13C, New General Mathematics, book 4, chapter 13. Ndoda kuti mutange mapractice example 4. Kureva kuti munotarisa example 4, movhara book, mozama kuiweka paside, then mozonoidi, motarisa ku book moona kuti zviri kufanana here. Or what I can rather you do is, itai example 4 makavhara book, monditumira the solution example 4. Then I have decided kuti pama questions aya 1 3 5 8 10 sarudzai ma questions 2 amunosolva muchishandisa method number 2, kureva method yekusolva masimultaneous muchishandisa matrixes through and through. We do not know zvatomuka takafungirwa nesimseki. So to be safe, sarudzai 2 questions dzamunopractice that way, then dzimwe 3 questions mosolva muchishandisa example number 1. But example number 1 yacho might mean kuti muri kusolva musingatange mamboendesa kumamatrix, because my questions are asked kumamatrix. So maybe you are solving them directly, 3 questions hapo, then 2 questions you are solving using the matrix method. Thank you for borrowing me your attention. I hope you learned something. Take care and have a nice one.